Y'all, Rambling Wander here. I'll show you some of the stuff we did to the house. We did the fascia all the way around the house. Got that all dressed up. Next week we're going to probably work on the rain gutters or the front walkway. But anyhow, unfortunately I have the wrong SD card in my camera here. It's not a high speed enough, so it only got part of the footage. I got some drone footage to show when we're done though, so I can share that with y'all. Hope you enjoy the video. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Alright guys, we're going to be working on fascia. This old house. We got some aluminum that obviously has to be replaced. All the way up there. And then we're also going to be working on putting some rain gutters on here. This side's not too shabby. Oh, we'll come back here again. And some of our storms really tore a lot of that aluminum fascia off. So we're going to be replacing all of this, putting vinyl up, and we'll see you at the next step.
My name is Rambling Wander. Grew up working ground and corn, morning chores and evening chores, blisters on my hands, boots worn. Learned to love that red dirt, old hound asleep in the barn, shooting bucks at daylight, driving tractors through the dark. Now I'm rambling wander on this interstate. See, got a long book of lines saying 11 from me, but it feels like 20 hours in a two-lane dream. Crazy cars cutting in like they can't even see, dealing with the dock hands dragging their feet, cranky shippers, cheap coffee, cold concrete. Just a farm boy rolling heavy steel and chrome, trying to make it home, just trying to make it home. That old farm taught me patience and how to bow my head and pray. Now I say those same few words at every fuel stop on the way. Tail lights blur at midnight, white lines hum like a hymn. I see mama on the front porch every time the sun sneaks in.